I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Hey guys, I know this is not the best lighting. I just want to talk to you while I was prepping dinner, just because I felt led to. And I didn't have a video from Monday or today. Today is Tuesday. I'm hoping to quickly edit it and get it up, so you guys will see this sometime on Tuesday. This Tuesday my time. I for supper am making our Szechuan style fried shredded beef and rice and egg rolls for supper. But y'all know there's a lot of chopping, and I did not do that this morning. I try to do that, especially on days where my husband is working, but we had some bad weather last night, just some thunderstorms, not really bad, but that gets Shelby in a mood, and so she kind of kept taking over my side of the bed. So I had to eventually just come in here in the living room and crash for a little bit. And then when Joel woke up, he woke me up and sent me to bed to sleep on his side. Anyway, it took me back to the days of when the kids were young. But all that to say, I'm thankful that I am taking the supplements that I am, because I've gone all day just fine. I slept well. Excuse the hair, it's very humid outside. It rained all day. Now it's sprinkling on me when I came in, but I don't know if it's on the way out or what, at least for a little bit. Anyway, how are you? Miss you guys. I'm gonna tell you though, man, it feels so good to be focused at work. Today I did, or the last couple days, I was working on a schedule of investments for one of our clients. And I can tell you, this is the first time that I've done these in almost 3 years that I did not have to go back and redo numbers and figure out where I missed one. And that is an amazing feeling, to be that focused, because we're talking lots of big numbers and lots of room for error. So it's quite interesting to get through that and not really have to go back and fix myself. So I was pretty impressed. It's pretty awesome. So I'm going to get these veggies chopped, get this meat marinating, and start writing, because I am like focused. I took my green machine late tonight, or late this afternoon. I totally forgot about it. I guess I didn't need the energy. And I usually try to take it around anywhere between 10 and noon. But I think it dawned on me when my stomach growled, because I don't eat lunch. I'm usually not hungry at lunchtime. I eat a very light breakfast, and then I eat pretty light dinner. So it's quite interesting. It's like I forget to eat. So when my stomach growled, it was shocking, because one, I didn't have food with me, and two, it reminded me, oh yeah, one, I need to drink more water, and two, I hadn't taken that yet. That usually kind of curbs my appetite during the day. I've never been one to really want a lot of food during the day. Supper is my biggest meal. My favorite meal, I should say. Sometimes it is my biggest meal because it's the only meal I have. There have been times I come home and I have a little light snack because I am just hungry. But I think taking that later today kind of stopped that, because I don't want it. Got to come in and love on our girl and take her outside to potty. She is so stubborn when it rains that she will not go. She'll hold it all day long. But as she gets older, she's going to have to learn how to navigate around that. We had some plans with some friends this weekend. But we may have to adjust that because it appears that there might be some tropical stuff moving in. Sorry, I didn't mean to shake y'all. So not only, you know, in Houston or the Houston area are we dealing with a huge surge in COVID. Now we may have to throw in some tropical flooding and storms and all that in there too. Welcome to the next level Jumanji, they say. If it's not one thing, it's something else, it seems. But we need the rain, so as long as it's just a tropical storm and not a hurricane, all will be well. I don't think people in our area right now have the patience for a hurricane to come through. I need to scratch my eye. Why do our eyes or face itch in the least convenient time? I will link the video to this recipe down in the description box and probably up in the cards if I remember. It's so tasty and it really is so easy. And this time I cheated and bought matchstick carrots because I didn't want to sit there and add those. Mind you, I did work all day. So I'll give myself a little grace. I don't stay home all day prepping food. Got things to do. This thing called life. Y'all, I'm hyper. I am really hyper. I'm trying to kind of tone it down for you. It's fixing to go out the window though. Kind of nice to get a break from the heat. Some of you guys were facing that. I'm so glad I got the right steaks. I always like the top sirloin for this because it's so tender. Okay, I hadn't seen my husband in a little bit and I wanted to say hi to him for a few minutes. He was fixing to run out to the store real quick. So, yay. So, dinner's prepped. I think all I did was cut up the meat and marinate that and clean up my mess. And load the kids' dishes in the dishwasher and start that. I'm like really hyper, y'all. Like, too hyper. Probably for my own good. Too hyper for my own good. But I do have a couple things I want to do. Our comforter is in the washer. It'll go in the dryer. Then I'm going to put clean sheets on the bed and all that good jazz. I usually do that on Mondays, but he was still asleep in time for me to get those washed and taken care of. So yesterday morning. It is what it is. He's entitled. He's on a furlough week, so a vacation week, I guess you could say. So if he wants to sleep in, he can. Shelby girl, we were playing. Get some playtime in with her. She is literally, y'all, for almost 24 hours has been kind of just stressed. She did get some sleep in though, a little bit. A little bit this morning. Alright, I just wanted to come back on and didn't want to leave you hanging. Hopefully I'll get a video up for tomorrow as well. I am going to go take her outside and play a little bit more and then start cooking dinner and maybe get the rest of chapter 5 written. I did not attempt my writing challenge for the weekend. I may throw it on myself this upcoming weekend, especially with our weather coming in. We'll probably be tucked inside and that will be absolutely okay. It'll be okay. Y'all, my hair. I don't like it when it's humid and I get wet. Whatever. It is frizzy and gross, but whatever. It is what it is. It's real life, peeps. I don't have a stylist running around behind me fixing my hair for that perfect picture. And I'm not going to go in there and fix my hair just for a less than 10-minute video. Sorry, not happening. Got more to do with my time than that. Bye. See you guys in the next video. Hope you have a good one. What'd you eat for dinner? Tell me down in the comments below. I want to know. Maybe you'll inspire something in my upcoming menu plan, because I'm getting tired of cooking the same old stuff.
You said night